Loom Network. Loom Network is a very interesting project. It's only actually been through one bull cycle. While it looks massively like it's in a long-term downtrend, it isn't. It's just one bull cycle that's experienced. Now, I'm not expecting staggering gains for Loom because generally price action doesn't look that positive for Loom. But the development has been really, really damn good. I quite like their sort of tagline attached to what Loom Network is, and I'll talk about everything to do with them in this video. Before I get into it though, guys, if you're new to the channel, these are the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos I was showing everyone that I was buying up all these coins because I expected them to ramp up in price. You can see what the profits would have been if you'd have thrown in $100 into each one when I released the videos and just sold about 17 months on. That's when these coins hit their highs. And if you'd have done that to every single one, a $2,600 investment in total would have got you a profit of over $123,000, which is not bad. Now, I sold all of these, and since the market crashed, I've been buying up new cryptos, and these are cryptos I share on my website, which is copymycrypto.com. So anytime I find a coin that I think can run up in price nicely, do a 20x, a 40x, a 50x, whatever, I get in on it. And what I will do is I'll jump onto my site and I'll tell my members all about the coin. I'll tell them what profits I think it can have, what percentage of my money I'm putting in, and they can copy along. There is literally no work for any of the members. When I sell a coin, I also do the same thing. I let my members know what coin I'm selling, why I'm selling it, and what I'm doing with my profits, whether it's banking it or reinvesting it or whatever. And again, members can copy along, no work required. And if that sounds interesting to you, go to copymycrypto.com now. Just pause this video, copymycrypto.com, and have a look at what I've said in the past and what ended up happening. Have a look at what the members have earned as well, what I've said, and you know, I got, what was it? Which one was it called? YAM. I told everyone to get out of YAM, and it was literally about 24 hours before the whole thing tanked. I was like, guys, do not put your money into these kind of projects. And all the evidence is on the site, and it's all public record, so you can verify everything that you read there. Loom. So, like I say, Loom launched very, very poor time. Like, it launched 2018, launched in March of 2018. So then just, you know, price ran up really nicely and then it tanked. And it never really hit any significant heights in the last bull cycle. I mean, it was at like a 1.3 cents. So it did run up to like 22 cents. So that's not bad, like, you know, that's decent gains. But right now it's absolutely on a tear. It's up at 17 cents right now. And part of this is, you know, down to the fact that this is now becoming one of the go-to places for developers. They are multi-chain, and I quite like this. So the multi-chain, so the production-ready multi-chain interop platform for serious dApp developers. We don't want any lame gits. We don't want any part-timers. We don't want anyone that's just trying to make some crappy game that no one wants to play. We only want serious dApp developers here at Loom, which I quite like, right? So they've got seamless integrations with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Chain, and all major blockchains. So deploying once to Loom lets you future-proof your dApp by reaching the largest number of users possible. So they have optimized for scaling high-performance dApps. Their integrations to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Chain, and Tron with EOS and Cosmos coming soon. Allows developers to integrate assets from all major blockchains into their platform, like into their game or whatever project that someone's building. The Loom token's a proof of stake token. It's used to secure Loom's mainnet called Base Chain. Now, Loom holders can stake their tokens to help secure Base Chain and earn rewards in the process. We know the deal with proof of stake. We can have a look and see what the potential profits are, I guess. Stake a Loom. Okay. There's no info on here, is there? Okay, fine. So yeah, fast and scalable for serious dApps. Frictionless user experience, top-notch security. Loom's base chain is dedicated to proof of stake with over 21 external validators around the world, and has more than 247 million Loom staked. I imagine they're doing a bit better than that now, with 1.2 billion Loom circulating. I imagine they've got better numbers there now. And it also runs on Plasma, which is a scaling solution that allows for faster transactions throughout the network. The founders of Loom are Matthew Campbell, James Martin Duffy, and Luke Zhang. So they've got a pretty damn good resume. Matthew Campbell worked at Hyperwork.inc, lead software engineer, DigitalOcean. What else have we got? Instant messaging server architect at Thomson Reuters. Engine mechanic and co-founder of Airplane. Hell of a resume. James Martin Duffy is the CMO. He works as the CEO at Epictetus Ventures, as well as the founder of Oregon. Before that, he worked as a developer at cryptocurrency trading bot and founded Career Job Finder. Luke Zhang was lead developer at Block Mason, developer at Elamica, developer at Workopolis. So yeah, they've got a pretty damn good resume. Like, no one can knock that. Now, it's quite interesting the sheer growth Loom's had because like a lot of that pump has been over the past sort of week, really. We had a week where it went up 31%, but over the month it's up 358%. It's like all banged up. And it's worth noting, look, Loom is one of those that actually is built with developers and with creators, with developers in mind. I think that personally is very, very, very important. We need to see projects building with the developers in mind, not just the users. Of course, the users are important, but if you've not got developers that are going to come and build with you, you haven't got much. So Loom have a really clear sort of idea and concept about what they want to do. And having not actually only been through one proper bull cycle, with the price that it is now, obviously I'd expect it to pull back over a few months. But I could see this maybe hitting $1. I really could. 1.2 billion market cap. Yeah, it's quite high, but it's not outlandish. And, you know, they are continuously sort of trying to grow. You know, they've got Crypto Zombies. They had the Crypto Zombies live event last year. The Loom Network updates consistently. You know, they have got the Polkadot crowd loan info. You know, they have got an idea here. They've got a concept here. They've got to definitely start showing a bit more about the developers that have come to them. Which developers have come to build with Loom. That would be really valuable information that would get people excited. You know, if you can show a real strong project that's used the Loom network as the base layer for the development, I think that would be really positive. They've not done that yet. But if they do that, I don't see why this wouldn't hit $1. I really don't. I don't think it's, like I say, it's a 6x kind of deal from where it is, which is not huge. It's not crazy, but it is doable, even though that would be far higher than its previous highs. It does seem achievable for a project that has really been developed and tailored for the people that are going to grow crypto, which are the developers. So kind of positive about this. I think there's a good shot of it having a little bit of a run, you know, 6x or so. I think that's very achievable. But they should be sharing a little more about who's built with them. I think that would be really useful. And that's it for me, guys. I think that's about it. I reckon this can run up to $1. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? If I'm wrong, why? Let me know in the comments. And guys, if you just want to take the work out of your crypto investing, if you want to make it easier on yourself, if you want to make profits without doing any work, that's what copymycrypto.com is. It's where I dive into the markets every day. I find coins that are winners. I get in on them. I share them with the members. The members can copy along. There is no work for anyone other than myself. I'm the one that does thousands of hours of research. I'm the one that will dive into the markets, find the winners. I share it all. No work required for any members, and they make the same profits I do. And if you've never been to copymycrypto.com, do that now. Go check out the site, see what it's all about. And if you like what you see, maybe I'll see you there. If you don't, no worries, there's no obligation to buy. But keep watching this channel, guys. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.